Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Instagram privately. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and to start the Instagram live, we can click on this plus button, then we can click on the live option. Okay, make sure that you click on this live option, and to go live on Instagram privately, you can select the audience. So you can click on this icon, tap on this icon, then you're going to select the broadcast audience right here. And since we want to go live privately on Instagram, we can select the practice option, this one, and you can read the description right here. Nobody will be notified, and you can change the audience when you're ready. Okay, you can tap on this option, then click on set audience. And to start the Instagram live, you can tap on this button, then the Instagram live will be started. Alright, and now as you can see that this live video is hidden, and you can invite others to join. You can click on this button. Then you can search the account that you want to invite to your live right here. You can click on the search button. Okay, and for example, I'm going to search for this account. Okay, and after you have found the account, you can click on the invite button. Then the account will be invited to your Instagram live. Alright guys, and that's how we can go live on Instagram privately. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.